welcome to Matrix Fight Night 7.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to a night of world-class mixed martial arts. Live from Taj Fog Numa, this is Matrix Fight Night. Make some noise for Bishwamitra Mayanga Lambam.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's begin the action. Matrix Fight Night 7 is here. We've got the first fighter, Bishwamitra, the badass Mete, making his way to the cage. With an undefeated record in the amateurs of 15-0. Bishwamitra, the badass Mete, is making his debut tonight.
Fighting out of the blue corner, he weighed in at 54.3 kilograms, representing Manipur. Give it up for Bishwamitra Mayanga Lambam. And his opponent fighting out of the red corner, he weighed in at 56.7 kilograms, representing Maharashtra. Make some noise for Arshian Memon.
Alright fighters, we've been through the rules. Let's have a good, clean fight. Obey my instructions at all times. When I ask you to stop, you must stop. If you want to touch gloves, do it now and then step back.
Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves. Let's get lit. Let's get banging. This is Matrix Fight Night 7, and we are about to start the first bout of the evening. First time ever happening at Matrix Fight Night. It's a flyweight bout wherein we've got...
Fight, are you ready?
Well, that won't make a
ready?
difference. But let me tell you about this card, Salil. This card is absolutely and so evenly matched. And the action begins. We've got Daniel Isaac as the referee. Whoa! Nice right hand by Arshian Menon.
Remember, Bishwamitra ka ye debut hai in the pro fight, so this is a very, very big deal for him. He's in the blue. He's making his debut.
Salil, I think Arshian rocked him with that big right hand. And then Bishwamitra went for a takedown. We can see Arshian Menon trying to attempt a triangle. Didn't get it.
Arshian ka boxing ka bhi background hai. I think the big part over here is this is the very first match. So as a result of that, with the very first bout, it sort of sets the tone for the entire day. They've been at it with each other.
All right, so we've got Arshian Menon attempting an armbar here. Gets a little bit slammed up. Maybe he has the armbar, maybe not. We'll get to see. Herein, Bishwamitra is being very technical. He's trying to reverse the armbar, trying to get his hand out, and he is successful. And it's a big thing for all our fight fans in Manipur. Salil, ये कार्ड इतना धमाकेदार है. हमारे पास 4 fighters मणिपुर से हैं, and the entire Manipur is rejoicing, cheering all the way for the fighters tonight. But I think यहाँ पे जो major advantage Arshian के पास है, वो stand-up में है, वो उसकी kickboxing में है, वो उसके मुक्कों में दिखा था. All right, that's some heavy pounding. We can hear the shots. Boom, boom.
What information they are giving, because the boys are a little disoriented at that time.
Bilkul. And I'm sure all the fight fans in Manipur are cheering for Bishwamitra tonight. That's it, round number 1. All right. So that's where Bishwamitra gets the side mount. However, Arshian attempted an armbar, got slammed. And herein, Bishwamitra gets the mount and then the back. Clear domination in round number 1 by Bishwamitra. Badass Mete all the way from Manipur. That's some heavy pounding while taking Arshian's back.
First round easy, I think.
Round 2 begins. Jaise maine aapko... Oh, another takedown attempt by Bishwamitra. And Arshian is on the ground. Oh, missed it. Arshian trying to get up from that position, trying to get away from Bishwamitra. Oh, that was superb. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Matrix Fight Night 7. We are going to get explosive tonight.
They've got to make sure, like I said, each one getting a chance.
Bishwamitra Maite herein has locked Arshian Menon in a triangle.
It could be over.
Squeezing it. It could be over.
Is there
I think
could be a tap out?
This could be a knockout.
Can you just hold?
Bishwamitra throwing in punches, elbows one by one, pound by pound. Round में वही व्यक्ति जीतेगा या वही फाइटर जीतेगा जिसका स्टैमिना सबसे स्ट्रांग है, जो ज्यादा ड्यूरेबल है. Fighting here. Let's look at the highlights of round 2. Biswamitra takes. Oh, that was fantastic. You know, after taking the takedown.
Acrobatics, fantastic.
बिल्कुल.
But here, Arshiyan ने कमबैक अच्छा किया था. ये फर्स्ट राउंड की तरह एक तरफा नहीं गया है. यहाँ पे अच्छे रिवर्सल्स हुए जैसे कि हम लोग देख पा रहे हैं. बैक एंड फोर्थ चलता रहा.
बिल्कुल सलिल, और यही खास बात है आज हमारे मैट्रिक्स फाइट नाइट 7 की. The card is so evenly matched. ये पहली बाउट है. And ladies and gentlemen, wait for all the bouts. We've got an excellent fight card coming up. A lot of resumes to be spoiled tonight because
But let's see, boys. Look, who looks more tired to you right now? Rahul, you're a fighter yourself.
the word on the street is Biswamitra is actually a badass.
अच्छा रिस्पेक्ट भी थर्ड राउंड में फाइटर्स दिखाए एक दूसरे को. आई थिंक वो एक दूसरे को जो दाव पेच मार रहे होते हैं तो एक रिस्पेक्ट लेवल आ जाता है.
Nice. See, this is what I was talking about, Salil. That Arshiyan has to keep it standing. He went swinging for the fences, got taken down, and again they are trying to do. Arshiyan is trying to, get.
Once again, विश्वामित्रा ने अपने कंफर्ट एरिया में ले लिया है और यहाँ पे रेफरी डैन आइसेक ने बोल दिया है some words to Arshiyan.
पकड़ना है because cage पकड़ना gives a. Wow!
That's the boxing that we were waiting for. थोड़ी सी जगह मिली और उनका एक लेफ्ट हैंड लग गया.
By Arshiyan.
और यही थर्ड राउंड में रोमांच पैदा करता हुआ. ये अगर ग्राउंड पर रहेगा तो ये हार जाएगा. दोबारा उन्होंने केज को पकड़ा. दोबारा रेफरी डैन आइसेक बोलते हुए don't do that again.
There's something on Biswamitra's shots. Is that blood? Is that blood spot?
एक पॉइंट ले लिया है अर्शियान का. दोबारा पहले ऑलरेडी वार्निंग दी थी उनको, दोबारा क्योंकि पकड़ लिया. सो दिस इज बैड न्यूज फॉर अर्शियान.
सलिल, यहाँ पे बिस्वामित्रा एक गलती कर रहे हैं. वो स्ट्रेट अवे टेक डाउन के लिए जा रहे हैं. ही इज नॉट सेटिंग अप द टेक डाउन. आई थिंक व्हाट ही नीड्स टू डू इज हाथ ऊपर रखें.
All right, so here is the tale of the tape. This is a flyweight bout. Biswamitra, 21 years of age, 170 centimeters in terms of height.
Representing Nagaland, give it up for the Nightmare, Arsemba Zulkam! And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, he weighed in at 56.9 kilograms, representing Manipur, the babyface assassin, Biswamitra!
Follow my instruction all the time. If I say stop, stop the fight. Test gloves, back to your corners.
ये है मैट्रिक्स फाइट नाइट 9 लाइव नई दिल्ली श्री फोर्ट स्टेडियम से, और पहली फाइट शुरू होने जा रही है. मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूं, अपने जोश को काबू नहीं कर पा रहा हूं मैं. बहुत मजा आने वाला है. यहाँ क्राउड की भी आवाज आ रही है और कुछ ही सेकंडों में जंग शुरू होने जा रही है.
Manan, I missed this action. Fighters are raging in the cage. We are here, fight fans having a gala time, and let's get this fight fest started. Babyface assassin in the red corner. Now, this is your first time in the country. Welcome to Matrix Fight Night once again. Let's get this started, John.
Absolutely. बहुत बढ़िया लेग किक.
So, Manan, here in Biswamitra looks really calm. On the other hand, we've got, oh, what a kick, man. On the other hand, Manan, I was talking to Arsenba, and Arsenba said that he wants to fight the entire three. Oh, what a Superman punch.
सुपरमैन पंच. सीधा टारगेट पे कड़क मुक्के मार रहे हैं विश्वामित्रा. कड़क एकदम.
A nice leg kick here by Arsenba. That is one of the reasons he couldn't put up a performance. And we see a big right kick here. Whoa! Missed that.
And you can see विश्वामित्रा's leg is turning red. किक तो उनकी चली रही है, लेकिन अगर मुक्के भी डाल दें तो मजा आएगा. फिलहाल हमें एक बढ़िया स्ट्रेट देखने को मिला विश्वामित्रा की तरफ से.
Oh, nice. Less than 15 seconds. The clapper goes off.
बहुत स्टाइल मार रहे हैं आप. आर्सेनबा का आत्मविश्वास देख सकते हो. तेजी से मूव कर रहे हैं, कॉन्फिडेंट हो चुके हैं. और
Great
यहाँ पे
round.
होता है पहला राउंड समाप्त.
What a great round.
Excellent performance here by Arsenba in round number 1. He's been keeping Biswamitra, the babyface assassin, at bay with his low kicks.
One thing Arsenba's doing well right here is maintaining control, maintaining forward pressure, and taking the center of the octagon here.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've got a lot of people in attendance here. Let's look at the highlights here.
Watch these leg
Wow,
kicks.
that was a
great
Superman punch that landed by Biswamitra. And then the kick by Arsenba. Another low kick.
Watch as he
Whoa.
sets it up here. He sets him up. He goes back, forth, bang, and then just throws him. Beautiful.
कहीं ना कहीं उन्हें मालूम है उन्हें कुछ करने की जरूरत है.
Whoa!
Notice that
Biswamitra here trying to charge in with those punches, however not getting connected.
Absolutely. I don't know if you guys can see it from here, but look at all that damage and swelling on the inside part.
Another spinning kick attack by Biswamitra, doesn't connect. However, John, you know, I must. Whoa! Whoa!
Another one.
Look at the way Biswamitra is moving in. His hands are down. There's no guard. I think he's all in for a brawl. We've got less than 30 seconds in this round now.
देखिए अगर हम फुटवर्क की भी बात करें तो आर्सेनबा का फुटवर्क बहुत अच्छा है. बढ़िया चेक हुक, निकलते हुए हुक मारा और एक राइट क्रॉस मारा. कमाल की बॉक्सिंग भी देखने को मिल रही है हमें आर्सेनबा से.
Oh, nice!
I don't even speak Hindi, and I know you're saying, look at his footwork.
Whoa! My goodness, ladies and gentlemen, this is the action that we promised you, and this is Matrix Fight Night 9.
मजा आ गया.